I fixed the curb rash on my Mustang the last video, and I'm gonna see if it actually held up. And this time, I'm actually polishing the wheels to go along with it. Welcome back to another video with Fast Life Rose. Today is part 2 of getting these wheels back right. We showed y'all the DIY project on the curb rash. I'm gonna give y'all the up close on that and let y'all see if it really worked. But right now, we're polishing the wheels on the car, as y'all seen in the intro. So yeah, man, step by step, you know, we get bringing it back. There's a whole lot more modifications and things that I'm gonna do to this thing, but we're focusing on the wheels right now, and I'm gonna let y'all see how they're coming along. Yeah, so now y'all see we're polishing them. This right here is the first process, you see. Coyote's putting it on there. This is the first wheel right here. We got all the other 3 to go. But here's how everything's looking with the quick little DIY. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Is that a quick fix that you would do? Yay or nay, or y'all still want to go to the real repair shop? When we get the first wheel polished, I'll turn y'all back on and let y'all see how it's looking. got it on there pretty thick too. I didn't put mine on that thick. Okay. No, I ain't never did this one. You know, I can put my pieces with my damn drill. Oh yeah, they'll get all in there, wouldn't it? Yeah. Hey, bring me one, dog. Yeah, fam, see, we got one side done, as y'all can see. That shine on there, up close. Nothing like it was, nothing like it was. But it's a lot of tedious work that goes into this DIY. But hey, it's all worth it, especially when it comes to saving money. But when we get the rest of it finished up, I'll show y'all the overall finishing touches. All right, we all done up, fam. What y'all think? Let me know down below. Was it worth it? I think so. For the price I paid versus going to the shop. Y'all see that shine? Looks good for a DIY. Done at home. But yeah, for the price I paid versus going to the shop, I think it was worth it. I honestly do. Like I told y'all earlier, there are more things to do in the next video. Like I say, I'm just trying to get my car together one step at a time for a Mustang week. Me and Coyote Pete, he's working on his, I'm working on mine, which you'll see some of the stuff he's doing on my channel. But if you really want to know what's going on with that over there, you're gonna have to go to his channel. But you see, oh yeah, right there. I got that in the trunk, and that's probably gonna be in the next video. Yes, sir. One step at a time, we built by the grind. Nothing happens overnight, but we are working on a budget and we working on a short period of time because Mustang week is in August. So tell me, Coyote Pete, what you think? Was it worth the money, the time, and everything that you had to do to make it look like this? Overall, I have to say it was worth it. Y'all heard it first. So my question to y'all is, would y'all do this yourself, or would you go out and pay somebody to do it for you? Get down in the comment section and let me know down below.